Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing the magnetic ball challenge. We each get 3 minutes to pick something out of these magnetic balls.
How about this one?
Yeah. So we spin the wheel to see who goes first. We're gonna take it in turns. So let's spin it. Daniel, and spin it.
Oh, Daniel's gonna be our official.
Oh,
David.
So I'll go first. So
Spin it away. No.
Maybe we should make it 2 minutes. It's okay, I'm gonna do that. You have to tell us what it is. What do you make?
So I made like a basket. I don't know.
What do you make?
It's like a basket. I don't know.
Baskets. So if you use 1 minute, 28 seconds.
Okay.
Do you want to make something else?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me take a picture of this before I use it.
Look at me.
Okay, next.
I'm gonna make something else.
Quick.
Maybe not something.
1 minute is almost done.
A bag.
You mean like a basket?
It's still a
It's a
basket, but
basket.
with a handle. this time.
So raise it up. Let it down. And
Oh no. Oh. Oh gosh.
now 11 seconds.
What? I'm ready to not see.
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Done. Your time is up. Leave it. Take off.
There. I would try to make a sun by putting like lines outside, but it did not work.
Okay, well done. Okay, Chiamaka. Go.
It's my turn.
Okay.
3.
2. Go.
Big boost, big boost, big boost, big boost, big boost, big boost, Daniel.
It's okay, it's okay.
At the same time,
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah, it's in the back.
You need what?
the cotton.
I think I'm gonna. He learned it from me.
Okay, go on.
I think I'm gonna win this.
Continue.
Great.
You have 34 seconds.
Okay, just make something.
Very nice.
It's a really good pattern. You make it before, but the magnet is very crazy. Just use one. Seconds. Three seconds. Time up.
Stop.
Don't shake it too much, it will break. Put it down. Let's take a picture of it. Well done. So that's what?
Like a necklace.
No, it's too small. Maybe like a bracelet.
Okay, well done. That's good. Nice challenge.
Mommy.
Go on, Daniel.
Then do yours.
Do yours.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, Daniel.
I don't get 2 minutes.
Yes.
2.
No, you just want to put them together and then it'll be fine.
What are you doing next? I can put it on.
Maybe this is called the triple Deez.
Yay. Come on, Daniel. Go in, Daniel. And do a very big circle. Very big circle. Very big circle, Daniel. Come on.
It's circle.
Leave it. Okay, do circle. Circle on this one. Go. Come on.
It's not even.
Okay, so make a big circle. Big circle, Daniel. Come on. Change it. Turn the other side. Good. Okay, make a big circle. And join it together. Whoa! Well done! Woo! Is that a track for your car?
Yeah.
Smile then. And thumbs up. Look up. Thumbs up. Yay! Okay. Well done, Daniel.
So guys, who do you think won?
Chief.
Thanks for watching.
Go behind that one.
Hit that subscribe button and like. God loves you. Bye. I obviously won, guys.
No, mine was better. He only made this. And this. And this. And a ball. So yeah, so I won.